guys, I'm Eric.
And Jen's Excellent Adventure.
And we're not camping this weekend, but as the old adage goes, a rolling stone gathers no moss. And if you know us, we don't like sitting still.
Nope. It's a little snowy today, but we decided to take an adventure and come on out. We are up here on Lake Erie in Port Clinton, Ohio.
And we're checking out some lighthouses today, starting with this one. This is the Port Clinton Lighthouse, which was originally on the mouth of the Portage River and then moved in 1896, I believe. And then it was restored and moved here in 2016. It's the last actually timber frame lighthouse on Lake Erie.
Yeah, you can see it back there. It's pretty.
Yeah.
It's a little snowy. You can't really see much of Lake Erie out there. It's all covered and full of snow.
And it's snowing pretty good.
It is. It is.
Yeah. So we're going to explore this area a little bit and then check out some more.
Yeah, we're going to start here and head back. This is just a little bit different video for you guys. We just thought we'd check out some of these lighthouses. We're going to head east back towards home, right along Lake Erie, and we'll take you with us.
See what we can find.
Yep. We'll see you in a bit. There's the lighthouse. You really can't see much of anything out there. There's Lake Erie.
Love of mine, is this your design? Can we not just take our time? Turn the lights on but leave the lights low. A second chance to take it slow. Oh, either way I want to go. Either way I want to go. Oh, either way I want to go. Either way I want to go. Oh, either way I want to go. Same as Solomon, star mathematics when two means one. Turn the lights on, but leave them real low. Second chance to take it slow. Oh, either way I want to go. Either way I want to go. Oh, either way I want to go. Oh, either way I want to go. Oh, either way I want to go.
So we stopped for lunch at a place called MacStack's.
Right here in Marblehead.
Yeah, really good chicken actually.
Yeah, it was really good food. Mac and cheese, burgers, sandwiches, chicken, pulled pork, all of it.
Tiki bar next door.
Yeah.
But now we're here at stop number 2, the Marblehead Lighthouse. It is the oldest continuous lighthouse on Lake Erie since 1822.
This is probably one of my favorite lighthouses. We always come up here. We come up here quite a bit and visit it. I was up here over the summer actually. It's beautiful in the winter. It's always icy out there. Just pretty. Wish it was either sunny today or something.
Well, at least it stopped snowing.
It did stop snowing.
It briefly
and
started
raining.
Yeah.
Yeah, it finally stopped raining too. So, anything else? What else about the lighthouse?
It's over there. I don't know. We're gonna walk around. And check it out.
We'll take you a little closer.
Yeah.
What's going on over there? He's building a snowman. See, and I thought he was going to make a snowball and throw it at me. He built a snowman.
I thought I was going to throw a snowball at you.
I did. All right, there is the lighthouse. Marblehead Lighthouse. So pretty. When I was here over the summer, they were actually up there painting it. There's a guy on the outside up there. We'll have to throw a picture in for you to see. But over here, we have Cedar Point, way off in the distance over there. And there's gift shop over here. here is Cedar Point. You can see it's pretty cloudy, so it's hard to see. I'll try to zoom in some for you. Way off in the distance over there. On a nice clear day, you can actually see it very well from here. It's pretty cool. Somebody's got a drone up there. You're buzzing around.
Shoot it.
What do we have over here? Oh, I almost slipped.
It's a replica of the U.S. Life-Saving Station from Marblehead. The original one was actually about a mile from here, but the Coast Guard station is now there. There were 6 of these on the southern shore of Lake Erie, and basically if a ship wrecked or something, they could launch a large boat out of here, which I believe there's a replica inside too, but there's a picture of them doing it so they could go out and rescue the crew if need be.
And there you can see Cedar Point again.
Set sail, a fairy tale waiting to unfold. For richer or for poorer, you've got my hand to hold. You were born to be the one, make sense of all my wrongs. Through all the twists and turns where we belong. Oh, and there's no end to where we'll go. Right here's the start. You're the reason all my pieces found their missing part. I put a ring around your heart. Want me to, I promise you, never close my eyes. And I will wake you in the morning light. I was born to be the one forever by your side. And now the world's an open door.
Alright, we are here at stop number 3, which is the Huron Lighthouse.
See what's back there?
Yeah, this is actually the 3rd lighthouse that was here in Huron. The first one was built in 1835, lasted 19 years, and then a storm came by and wiped it out because it was just made out of wood. Then they built another one out of iron in 1857, and then in 1939 they actually extended the pier 3/4 mile offshore all the way out to there, and they built that one. So that one's been there since 1939, and it's actually one of the first lighthouses on Lake Erie to be electronic beacon. So it's kind of ugly, actually.
It kind of is. Apparently, it was built for the deco at that time, but yeah, doesn't look very big, and there it is.
Yep.
But,
that's as close as we can get to it.
Yeah.
So on to the next one.
On to the next.
All right, stop number 4 is Vermilion, Ohio. And right behind us is the Vermilion Lighthouse.
Number 5.
This is the 5th one I believe they built. The first one was built in like the 1830s. It was wood, and then over the years they've built a few others. And this one I don't even know if it was a functional lighthouse. It was kind of built because there was a guy that lived here that really liked lighthouses, and they raised money and they built it. So,
and then I guess the lens was switched out. Let's say 2012 or 2006.
Yeah,
2012. It went dark, and then they actually took the lens, and it's in a museum in Toledo, and then they raised money, $40,000 I think it said, and got a new lens for it.
I believe there's actually a maritime museum somewhere right around this area that I've never actually been in.
I was years ago, here with my family. Years ago, I remember walking through it. This is a great little town, though. We love Vermilion. It's not too far from us. We've come out here quite a bit. It's right on the lake. Lots of little shops, some great restaurants. We like Rudy's Bar. There's a German place.
Driving through, you know, they had like all kinds of ice sculptures and stuff in the square and that.
Yeah, they must have had a festival here over the weekend or an event. Lots of ice sculptures. We'll have to try to get some pictures to throw in here. What else? My favorite pies, Papa Joe's Pizza and Pies.
Yes, yes.
Mama Joe's, apparently they are now out of Amherst, but this is where we originally discovered. I don't know if this is where they originally came from, but this is where we've always gotten them from.
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah, the best pies around. What else?
I don't know, not a whole lot.
Not a whole lot. We're losing light, so we've got one more stop, and that'll be about it.
Yep.
We'll catch up with you in a bit.
See you at the next one.
Bye.
Our last and final stop of the day is the Lorain Lighthouse, the jewel of the port, they call it. Built in 1919 and 1932. They switched it to electric. It's hard to see.
Way back there. Yeah.
This is as close as we can get. They have this little lookout. It's a pier. Actually. It's a nice little area, actually.
Yeah.
Lots of boat slips and stuff in this nice little pier.
Yeah, huge boating area. Tons of docks back there we walked past to get here.
Yeah, I had no idea this was even here.
No, right in, I guess, I don't know, is this downtown Lorain? Not far from the Black River. Yeah, not too far east of the Black River. Don't know too much about this area. We haven't really explored it, although it's not very far from home, but we just haven't been this way much.
Well, you know, that just goes to show you that you don't have to go to another state or drive for hours to go explore something. I mean, the farthest one we went away to today was an hour away.
Yeah.
So you can find stuff right in your own backyard to get out and explore and see.
Yeah, we haven't even been towards Cleveland, but these are all within just an hour of each other. But some great little towns to explore. And I don't know.
Fun little road trip.
Yeah, it's been a good day. A little dark and dreary. Started off with the snow, and cold, some rain. But whatever, we made the best of it, and we've enjoyed the day. Had some good food, and I guess, I don't know, we'll be heading home shortly.
Time to head home, yeah.
So if you guys have been to these lighthouses, comment below, leave us comments. If there's something we missed, something we should know, let us know. Other ones in the area to check out. We just enjoy hitting them up and, you know, seeing them, learn a little history too along the way.
Yep. So
keep it safe in your travels.
keep between the mustard and the mayo.
Bye guys.
Bye.